Okay, we're getting ready to put the saddle down. Let me quiet this guy down a little bit. See who we're watching. I made an Iron Man style watch case from titanium. And that's meanwhile in the garage. So we'll put him on hold there. So here's what we got going on here. I got the hold down clamp in place here. And then I have this one here suspended on these aluminum wires. When I lay this down, I'm going to feed the wires up through the casting holes. I have this little group of magnets here that is going to grab onto this and keep it from dropping down in there. Then I can stick a scribe or something in there and manipulate that and get the threads lined up and get a thread started. So this has always been a bit troublesome. So let me back you up over here a little bit and put you on the Kimber toolbox front. Okay, I think we're ready to do it. So I am going to spray this surface with shellac. Very good. So, bullseye aerosol shellac. I would prefer to have something in a half-pint can. Unfortunately, the smallest can I could find that day was a gallon jug. Okay, I'm going to let that set up for 10 or 15 minutes. So we'll bring you back. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes or so. Get that away from the chuck. Come on back up where you belong. You're going to be floating around there anyway. So just stay here for right now. Okay, so we got 2 locating pins. We're lined up front to back. Okay, let's get something in here to keep that from going all the way down. Okay. Yes, it was the magnets that ultimately won the game. And we're not done yet. We have over here to deal with. Okay, here's round 2. No magnets this time. Although this is looking like it's lining up well. Okay, next we got 4 cap head screws holding the ways back here. 1, okay, we're gonna call it right there. I got another video in the can and it's not processing. It says I don't have enough RAM, this and that. So I don't understand that because my computer is virtually, I don't do anything but YouTube, and I've deleted all the file. All previous videos are deleted. There's no backup of congested files or anything like that. I'm not quite done. We need to get this clutch arrangement. We need to get our forward and reverse switch back up here, our barrel switch. And that's it. Of course, we got to get our compound on and our screw and our nut. I'm thinking that I want to rewire this machine, these old brittle wires, and I could do them. I think there's 4 wires on this switch. They run in conduit. I could pull 4 new wires through there, just do those 4 wires. And then later on, we'll come back and do the 6 or 7 wires that come out of there, you know, through the conduit. And even I should be able to do that. But the clutch engagement, rigmarole needs to be hooked up. That's this thing here, this lever here, via this linkage is going to connect to this lever, allowing you to activate the clutch out here on the apron. Well, the getting the carriage down was moderately easier than times in the past. Once I got the part to engage with the magnets, they did exactly what I'd hoped they would do, and they held that thing up high enough where I could catch a thread. Now, with a little forethought, those screws aren't long enough to engage that piece as it's sitting down in there. It needs to be drawn up. So if I had some longer screws, I could use it to engage that nut, pull it up, and then put the shorter one in on the other side, and then pull the long one out, replace it with the short one. I think that'll make sense. Yeah, that's it. I've been having trouble uploading videos, my video software. I'm not able to download it, I guess. It says I might be out of RAM. There's nothing on this computer but YouTube, and I've deleted, the only video that's on here right now is the one that's not loading, that's not transferring, and that is, what's the content of that video? Well, it's not this one. Oh, it's an explanation answering questions that were in the comments about the clutch and a few other things. So I'm working on getting that one uploaded, and hopefully this one will upload. So who knows? Like and subscribe. Tell a buddy, bring a friend. I didn't know I was going to have to know how to operate computers as well as lathes and mills and tool cutter grinders, and at least those things are fun.